Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to convert a simple logo into 3D in Illustrator. I have this YouTube button, linked to this vector file mentioned in the description. First, hold the Alt button and create a copy of this rounded background. Then go to Effect menu, 3D and Materials, Extrude and Bevels. This opens the 3D and Materials panel. In the Object section, change position to Isometric Top. And increase the depth to around 90. Then click on this Bevel button. And change the bevel shape to Round Outline. And decrease the width. Keep all other settings the same. And go to the lighting. Follow my lighting settings here. To add more dimension by adjusting the settings for shadows. Now, I am going to render this design to see how it looks. Now select the red part of the button. And follow my settings for this. Now select the white play icon. And follow my settings for this. And that's it. I hope you like it. Share your thoughts on this, and if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.